fast beside. Sing me the Silent Hearth Song, where the brave and the lost belong. Through the storm and winter's cry, our flame glows where the cold winds die. Oh, in the hush of the snowbound air, love is light too fierce to tear. Through darkest nights and endless years, your